Welcome to this video on Assessment on the AI, or AoA. This framework is a human-centered, ontology-driven, multi-agent system designed to transform how we approach assessment and learning in the age of generative AI. Generative AI has challenged the validity of traditional testing. Issues like instant item exposure, the potential for AI assistance, the high cost of item banks, and the opacity of AI scoring have left our assessment systems under siege. While generative AI is powerful, raw, unconstrained use introduces new risks. Hallucinations, lack of traceability, and the inability to pre-train scoring models for dynamic content mean we cannot simply rely on existing AI tools for high-stakes assessments. To restore validity, we need a new approach. We require assessments that are transparent, auditable, and grounded in human expertise. This video introduces the AoA framework as the solution for engineered, rather than hoped-for, validity. The AoA framework is built on three reinterpreted pillars: evolving evidence-centered design, socio-cognitive assessment through human-AI collaboration, and a focus on assessment for learning rather than just testing. While the logic of evidence-centered design remains sound, its static 20th century implementation does not. We must move beyond rigid models and one-way pipelines to meet the demands of the modern era. AoA preserves the defensible inference of traditional methods, but swaps static components for active, collaborative AI agents, transforming fixed item banks into just-in-time, ontology-grounded generation. This transition offers ontology guardrails, scalability in assessment, a living argument that refines itself through interaction, and governed intelligence that keeps humans in the loop for every decision. AoA envisions assessment as a living, adaptive process. It integrates the entire life cycle into a unified ecosystem, where agents are curriculum-driven, collaborative, and educator-governed. By operationalizing evidence-centered design, AoA maps traditional roles to specialized agents. From curriculum ontology to adaptive delivery and scoring, these agents work together to refine the assessment experience. Governing principles are core to AoA. AI is there to augment, while humans decide. Educators maintain sovereignty over curriculum and assessment policies, ensuring that every AI action remains auditable and aligned with educational goals. The ecosystem is composed of 10 specialized agents, including Korea for curriculum ontology, Alpha for lesson planning, and K-Salt for item engineering, all working within one interconnected knowledge network. From curriculum to the classroom, these agents bridge the gap. Korea provides the knowledge foundation, Alpha builds the lesson plan, and K-Salt engineers the items, all while being validated by human experts. Design, delivery, and scoring are handled by Basic, Aqua, and GARAM. These agents ensure that the assessments are balanced, delivered adaptively, and scored according to transparent, human-validated rubrics. Finally, grade and repair close the loop. They provide developmental feedback and ensure assessment rigor through a reverse engineering pipeline, completing the cycle of learning and improvement in the AoA framework. Moving on to the CIA, or CAFA inventory with AI, we see a standards-indexed inventory of item templates. This agent fuses curriculum knowledge with an AI layer to deliver targeted assessment as feedback. The CIA agent functions through a continuous loop. AI search matches goals to standards, adaptive practice delivers targeted sets, feedback diagnoses errors, and reselection drives the next remediation cycle. Beyond traditional testing, we have the Assisi framework. It uses a dual-agent pair, Meta-Assisi and Assisi, to extend our approach into surveys and organizational feedback, separating design from execution. Meta-Assisi acts as the architect, while Assisi acts as the executor. This separation allows designers to define context and topic, while the engine handles dynamic rendering and real-time analysis. Knowledge within the AoA framework flows in every direction. It is not a rigid pipeline, but a living educational network where agents and human experts continuously refine curriculum, instruction, and assessment. This framework is grounded in the socio-cognitive perspective of assessment. We treat assessment as a reasoned inference in a layered world, navigating linguistic patterns, personal experience, and internal cognitive resources. Generative AI allows us to move from passive tools to active, inferential participants. By integrating AI agents into this inferential chain, we create a transparent, auditable, and defensible adaptive ecosystem. Ultimately, when theory meets architecture, educators become architects, measurement becomes learning, and the assessment process remains a social endeavor, now amplified by governed AI intelligence. Thank you for watching. AI does not replace educational expertise. It amplifies it. To learn more about how we are building the future of adaptive assessment, visit ai.cafalab.com.